In 1943, Nobel Prize for invention of vitamin K was given to Dozy and Dam. Blood group was discovered by Landsteiner. The first successful heart transplant in India was performed by Dr. Venugopal. Binomial nomenclature was introduced by Carlius Linnaeus. Father of Green Revolution in India was Norman E. Borlaug. The first transgenic plant was tobacco. The process of obtaining image of different part of body using a weak magnetic field produced inside body is called MRI scan. The name of version of Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine is Covishield. Green revolution includes genetic engineering. Biotechnology means use of living organism in industrial purpose. Genetically modified GM crop that has been given permission to be legally cultivated in India is called BT cotton. Genetic modified version of brinjal is made pest resistant. Reproducing new plant through cell instead of vegetative part or seed is called tissue culture. To pinpoint a criminal, forensic department use technique called DNA fingerprinting. Friedrich Mescher isolated DNA for the first time. In 2013, the first ever human liver was grown from a stem cell in Japan. Another name for genetic engineering is recombinant DNA technology. Not example of transgenic crop spinach. In cloning process, the cell comprises another cell or living part of exact copy of complete organism. Father of DNA fingerprinting in India is Lalji Singh. BT cotton is the only genetically modified crop approved for commercial cultivation in India. BT cotton is a genetically modified plant. The name of first mammal was Dolly. The first genetically modified or commercially released plant in India was BT cotton. DNA fingerprinting is used in scientific test, court investigation, patenting, disputes, and protection of endangered animals. The famous Dolly seed has come into existence as a result of cloning. Asia's first DNA bank, Lucknow. The genetic reasoning approach in DNA is inserted, removed, or replaced is called genome editing. DNA test in crime investigation proves identification of criminal for biological evidence. Genome editing. Determining paternity is now possible by DNA investigation. Sweet is adopted as biological evidence in DNA investigation. The double helix form of DNA was proposed by Watson and Crick. Painless needless injector is bioinjector. The sugar present in DNA is called dibrexo. Biochip contains DNA, RNA, and protein. The recently developed technique of result fetal growth is called ultrasonic. Nuclear medicine are emerging as effective tool of diagnosis and treatment in modern medicine. These are called radioisotopes.